So market is in our favor, and we are moving the way we ought to move, and we are grateful for this setup. Again, our conditions in entering the markets in this case here is because we had a breakout right here. Broke out of the road, trend was down. Now whenever it breaks out again, the market will try to correct itself automatically, will always. This is a sure way to trade, and anyone that approaches the market this way will see profits if they're patient for the breakouts. There are several currencies we are trading, therefore, if you will, when the opportunity presents itself, for sure, you take advantage. Okay? Recording from my phone. Again, it's not the best recording. You might not be hearing my voice. I'm somewhat sick, and I'm on a live, if you will, account. Again, this is Sir J, trading the Australian Canadian, and we bought the Australian Canadian, and we settle on. If you're interested in this strategy, you can email me at jetsforex@gmail.com or info@jetsforex.com. Definitely. Or you can follow up with our videos, like our videos, subscribe, if you will, to our videos. Wow, it took profit. It did take profit. Beautiful. That's what we are expecting in a case like this. Have a great day, and I'll see you in other videos. Take care.